Ach in anion Gigris Rees, Harla achtra an bord gimmerha, a choristiach gomor
I was in a Shield final. I would have been captain. I would have been involved with the county at the time at the minor level. So I was getting heavily marked. I was getting double marked, if anything. And they were just trying to get a reaction out of me, and they probably got me on a very good day, to be honest. They were shoving butts at the hurls and slapped me in the back and off the ball. So I kind of just seen red for about 5 seconds, and I just retaliated and swung back a hurl. And it was a lot more serious than just a red card on that day. I ended up getting a 48-week ban, and it hit me hard there for a while. Kind of just went downhill from there then. I just kind of had a bad year or two.
He definitely didn't mean to do what he did, but you can't change the facts. And Reece was upset, but he was strong enough to say it, right, that's it, it's done.
I think it was nearly 2.5 to 3 years by the time I made it back onto a pitch. I get the phone call from the seniors then, and it's like, how would you like to come up for trials there such a night? And I was like, nothing I can lose really, like I'll go up anyways. I swear to God, I probably played the best hurling of my life in that trial game. And I ended up coming off in the second trial game early with a knee injury. I got forced off by the Kildare manager, and then as soon as I walked off, he shook my hand. He was like, welcome to the panel and all. Like 2 years ago I thought I'd never even play hurling again, and now I'm back involved with the counties.
I saw the fire in your eyes.
Just wasn't ready when I got onto the team. I thought I was. I just didn't know how to act like a county player. The touch, it took so long for the touch, the striking, just wasn't on par. And I know exactly what's needed. I know how to perform now. I just can't wait for another opportunity to get back onto it, and I won't be letting it slip this time.
Underdogs, Iborts le Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.